In a warehouse or manufacturing setting, your organization faces unique challenges in reducing the risk of COVID-19 due to 1. Having large rooms with high ceilings, and 2. How long your workers are indoors. Despite these challenges, your organization can take many essential yet simple steps to help keep yourself, your workers, and your community safe. Consider addressing the following areas to help reduce transmission of COVID-19 and other airborne diseases within your workplace. Disinfect delivery vehicles and equipment before and after delivery, and provide employees with additional sanitation options for use during delivery. Provide truck drivers with hand sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol. Ensure workers wear appropriate gloves when loading or unloading trucks. Get in touch with an HVAC professional or an occupational and environmental health and safety professional for guidance on optimizing air mixing and ventilation. Click on the link below for more specific recommendations to help keep yourself, your workers, and your community safe in a warehouse and manufacturing environment.